Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. This is Mary Stephanie, and for today, we would be cooking cheesy corned beef pie. So, as you can see, nandito na yung ingredients. Ni-ready na namin siya. We used a crackers for breadcrumbs because we don't have it anymore. And then, we also have egg whites para stick. Actually, from what I read, it's gonna be more crispy if yung egg white lang gagamitin mo. Of course, the corned beef, pero niluto, we already sauteed the corned beef para mabilis na. And of course, the bread that we took out the sides and we flattened it using a rolling pin and of course, the cheese. So now, we're gonna be doing it. Prepare na natin siya para mailuto na kaagad. So we get the bread, of course, and put the corned beef. Ayan. Siyempre sa half lang. And of course, we put the cheese. Dalawang cheese. Para cheesy talaga siya. Then we close it like this. Oh no, I hope it flattens. Ayun. Medyo juicy pa yung okay. And then, you do it like this. Bakit ganun? So, we do this para mag-close yung bread natin. Palpak lang first. So now, malapit yung crust. We tried. Pero baka kulang yung egg natin siguro. baboy. Thank you guys for watching.